and then karvepila. And we also washed our chicken. The onion is ready with us. Also green chili is ready. So we have to wait this thing until it turns into a golden color. It's almost ready, so I'm going to put onion at the other side. Onions, check, and mix it properly. Next we add the green chili. Meanwhile, my dad cleaned kappa. And mix it with extreme hand power. In this time, we use a lot of power, so we can call help with our mom or dad. This was the most dangerous thing, so dad helped me. Now we add the first set of masala. We add turmeric powder, pepper and salt. Mix it well and wait for 5 minutes. Now we'll add our first set of secret masala. We are having a restaurant, so we cannot reveal it to the public. Look at the change after first secret masala. Again, the next set of the secret masala. Wow, you get the magic of second secret masala. Dingan chicken is ready.